Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the toolpath setting for curve precision. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. And now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini-series on the RouterCAM's path settings, or toolpath settings. And today we will be looking at the curve's precision. Now, we've briefly covered this before, but we'll go into a bit more depth now. So now, most of these settings, I think except for the drilling, has curve precision at the bottom. So if we had to open any one of these, you'll see at the bottom here it says curve precision, and we've got a amount we can set it by. Now, what this will basically do, depending on your amount of path points you already have, if your design has a lot of path points, it will you can leave that setting off. But otherwise, the basic gist of it is, let's say you've got a basic path, and then what this thing will do, depending on the value, it will slowly try increase the amount of path points to create smoother curves. Now, also a good thing to keep in mind is it's not going to change your original. So if I had to grab it and apply it to it, this will not change. It will only be in the final output where it will try increase the smoothness of it. Now, I would personally say just leave the settings as it is, unless you actually know what you are doing. Then play with it. If you find your design style being a bit jagged, perhaps, or a bit harsh on the edges, then you can always try increasing that amount. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the curve precision. So just a quick reminder, it basically will try smoothing out your curves if the amount of nodes are too low. And that will obviously do it depending on the value you've set it. But otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.